inventors. Here at the Nordic Society for Invention and Discovery, we're ready for a new era of mad scientists. It's our goal to invent and discover revolutionary new products of the future, together with the greatest marketers, inventors, and, well, crazy people. But if you've read our website, you already know this. Hello, my name is Savannah Alex, and this is my co-worker, Alex Diaz. And it's our purpose today to inform you on our budding new company. Today we'll start with talking about how we came to be, our inventors, how they met, and then we'll talk about how we work, so how we take an idea from an idea to a product, and then finally we'll talk about our successful products and a cool product for the future. So Alex is going to talk about our first point.
Alrighty. We have two main founders here at the Nordic Society, Thomas Mazzetti and Per Cromwell. They had a company called Studio Total that teamed up with Mikasa Labs to make an inventive new furniture line that included products like the iRock chair. This project gave them a taste for the kind of inventive thinking that they like to do. So they teamed up with the creators of Bob the Robot. He is an autonomous new project for robotic engineering, and he is a security guard, and he's currently in testing in the UK. These four minds teamed up and they came together with the Nordic Society that we know today, and Savannah is going to tell you a little bit about how we work.
So most people would think that there's some sort of method to this madness, but really there's not. Typically, people want to know how we come up with the ideas that we do. Well, honestly, we grab a cup of coffee, we sit around at a round table, and when we come up with the craziest, most improbable idea, we roll with it. Our motto is, if it's not fun, we don't do it. So once we have a good idea, we begin to formulate and draw pictures and get the mathematics down and almost get a proof of concept. So once we have that, we go through a funding company, you could say a public funding website. So the last one we used was Indiegogo, and on that site we hoped to raise $5,000 and we actually raised 20. Indiegogo said that this is very promising and shows that we're quite the company to be feared. So after we have this funding, because we're such a small company of only 50 people, we began to produce it on a mass scale. After we have distributed a few, so 2 or 3, we get feedback from our customers and then we fine-tune our products. So Alex is going to talk about some of these products that have made the rounds, and she's going to talk about some of our most successful products and our products for the future.
Alrighty. One of our most successful startups at the moment is our Willys Corporation. Thomas Mazzetti quoted this as being the innovative business for the future. It's supposed to be an economically friendly, zero carbon footprint take on to Starbucks. It wants to get away from the franchise type of business and become marketed towards younger college students and more athletic people who need a little bit of extra cash on the side. It is a coffee shop on a bike, and we currently have 50 bikes in 50 different countries, and we are working to keep up with the growing demand for our product. Some of our future prototypes include No More Wolf for dogs. It's supposed to translate your dog's thoughts your dog's barks into thoughts and into words for you, so that you'll be able to understand them. It's just a prototype at the moment, but we are working on it. Another prototype we have going is the Flying Carpet for dogs. It's supposed to allow your pet to hover 4 to 5 feet above the ground, and it is looking very promising at the moment. So that'll probably be our next big startup company. And I will pass it over to Savannah now to wrap things up.
So today we've talked about how our company began, how our founders met each other. Then we talked about how we get this imagination, crazy idea into a tangible product that your pet can sit on and fly around with you. Now, we're committed to taking a childhood dream and turning it into a reality. Thank you very much for taking your time out of your day at this orientation and presentation. And are there any questions?